So for the second part of this, we're doing the second row here. Okay. What you guys are going to do, you are going to be creating what's called a value scale, light to dark, or actually, you know, we'll go the other way, dark to light. Dark to light. You are going to try, do we do dark to light or light to dark?
Light to dark.
Light to dark. We're going to light to dark. Sorry, because when you do it down here, it's going to be light to dark. So here we go. Only using your number 2 pencil. So you can use your number 2 pencil and your blending tool. Okay. You are going to try to go light to dark. So if you want to start at the box up here, darkest is kind of the easiest. I'll show you just with your number 2 pencil, because I want to show you guys how the number 2 pencil, the darkest dark of your number 2 pencil, is never going to be as dark as this 6B is going to get. Okay, so we're going to do a value scale here that's just going to be the HB pencil. And then down here, I'm going to give you other drawing pencils. And in each box, you're going to do each drawing pencil. And then you'll see how different the values are. So I'm going to start here. You don't have to fill the whole box if you don't want to, but you want to have a nice, like a nice section of color. So I'm going to do, and so this is going to be my darkest one. It's going to be on the far right. So I'm going to lay my value down. I'm laying my value down. Okay. And I can blend it with my blending tool to make it nice and soft. Okay. And then in my next box, I'm going to press a little lighter. So I want this box here to be the darkest, and then this box here is going to be lighter. My goal is going to be to have each box getting progressively lighter until this box is very, very, very light. Okay, so I'm going to fill this box. So I'm laying in dark, dark, dark value. Okay, blending it. And then this next box, I'm going to lay my value in. And I'm not pressing as hard. So it should look different from one to the other. So when I blend this box, and if they look similar, what you need to do is you need to decide, do I need to make this box lighter by erasing some of it? Or do I need to make the other box darker? Sometimes it's easier to make the other box darker. So I'm going to make this box. And sometimes going back and forth, so if you're crisscrossing your line, you're cross-hatching your lines, it makes it a little bit darker. So I'm going to have this box as be my darkest. Blend it out. Okay, so you guys should see that from my first box to my second box, one is darker, one is lighter. And now I'm going to go to my next box. And this one I'm going to decrease my pressure even more. I'm doing the whole box because I have a perfection issue.
Wait, so do we have to lift the whole box?
Sometimes it's easier to see the values if they're lighter or darker if you have the whole box filled. If you can, I'm not going to be too picky. Just try and get it. I really want to just see that you're going from dark, light, lighter, lighter, lighter until you get to the end. Okay, so that's what I want you to see. I want you to see the scale of HB. So I want you to see the range of HB. Okay, I want you to understand that, you know, if you have the color, it's dark here, it gets lighter, lighter, lighter. I want you to work on that pressure. Okay, so you're gonna keep going. And now you're gonna go lighter. So each box should get lighter and lighter and lighter until my last box is almost white. What's the matter? You can, yeah, because they'll have just very, very faint graphite. Sure. Okay, so keep going, keep going. Each box, we should be getting lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter. Okay, you want it to be obvious that there's a difference between each of the boxes. Okay, so if there's no difference between them, then you need to go back and make either one of them darker or lighter. But you should be getting to a light value. You should not be having like them all be dark. They should be progressively getting lighter. So we're going to do the bottom scale here. You're going to put your pencils in order. Okay, so you're going to put them in HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B. What we're going to do in this section down here, okay, each pencil, you're going to do kind of the value shading tornado that you did up here, okay? I want it to be a little bigger, so you're going to have a box. So watch up here for me. I'm going to take my HB. I'm going to press hard. And I'm going to make like a rectangle. And then I'm going to go down and light. Okay, fade it out. Okay, I'm going to go to my next one. B, what's up?
I don't have a 3B.
I will give you a 3B. So if you're missing a pencil, I will get you what you're missing. Just let me finish doing this. So HB, and then I'm going to do my B. Same idea. I'm going to do dark. And then I'm going to fade out to light. 2B. Okay, hold on. I'll get pencils people are missing in a second. No, you're missing a what?
3B. Maybe sleepy. That's what happens when I look at the light. No, when I look at my eyes, it's coming bright, so that you look at me. Oh, now it looks like the cloud's sinking.
Guys, can everybody look up here, please? I want to show you my... Can we put our masks over our face, please? Over our nose. I want you guys to look here at my 6B. This is my 2B, correct?
Yeah.
This is my 2B value scale. So I'm going to draw under here with my 6B. This was the darkest my HB could get, correct? Okay. I'm going to draw with my 6B. You should see the difference between how dark my 6B is versus the darkest that my HB can get. Correct? So look, here, even these back to back. So this is my HB and my 6B. Can you see that my HB and my 6B, there's a difference here? This is lighter than this.
Yeah.
Okay? This is lighter than this. Okay? So pencils come in different hardnesses and grades, okay? Because each pencil will not get you to the full amount, okay? And a 6B pencil will not be as light as a 4H pencil. And in my other class, oh, I didn't do it. Here. Where's my, here it is. This pencil, this is a 4H pencil. This is a 4H pencil that I will draw with. Okay, so if you guys see back here, I'm going to do a value scale 4H. So I'm pressing hard as I can with this pencil. And I'm going to fade out 4H. Okay, I'm going to do my HB in the middle. So you guys can see the difference. Here's my HB. Where's my HB? HB is in the middle. Okay, and then here is my 6B at the end. Hold on. Can you guys see the difference between these three things? So this is my 4H. Can we look up here? This is my 4H. That's as dark as it's going to get. Okay, very, very light. H, it's a harder pencil. It's going to draw lighter. This is my HB, is in the middle. Okay, it's a little dark. It's a little light. And then this is my 6B, very dark. Okay, so we have different kinds of pencils because we are going to try to show all of the range of lights and darks in our animal. And like if we only use the number 2 pencil, we'll never be able to get dark, dark, dark shadows. You're only going to have like this middle ground of value. Does that make sense? Okay. You should have nice, easy gradients here. Okay. When you are finished with it, Jackson, how's your value scale going?
Good.
Are you done?
It's all mixed up.
Okay.
I got a 2H instead of a 2B.
Then I will give you a 2B and you can give me your 2H.
I already used it.
Well, but they're different pencils, so you should say something. So can I have your 2H and I'll give you a 2B? What's up? Yes. 2H.
Or B is. I like Scorpion. What?
Oh gosh. Okay, once your value scale is done, you are going to be handing it in to Canvas. What's up? Then sharpen it.